We heartfully invite you to our Excel Gyan Institute to upgrade your skills for a better career. We Excel Gyan restarted our training services with data analytical tools such as Excel, Excel VBA, Power BI, SQL, Power Apps, Power Automate, and Python. We are located in the IT corridor of Hitech City Hyderabad. In our institute, you can get hands-on experience in generating reports by using an Excel application for better analysis and documentation. As well as you can automate Excel and other applications by writing macros, nothing but Excel VBA to reduce work time. For example, by clicking on a button, it generates a report by allocating expenses to different departments based on the head count, which normally takes 8 hours a time to prepare such report. But by writing the macro, the same activity will be completed within a minute. You can introduce Power BI application in your organization to present required reports such that management can take a proper decision by looking into required reports at one platform anywhere, even on mobiles. You can create mini application to capture information from different sources by using Power Apps. You can automate repeated application based work by using Power Automate. You can set up and manage data center using SQL Server and SharePoint. By considering your busy schedule, we have planned weekdays and weekend batches. The timing will be as follows. For weekend batches, the batch will start from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Batch 2, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. For weekdays, batch 1 will start from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Batch 2, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Batch 3, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Batch 4, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Batch 5, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Batch 6, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Our trainers are young and energetic with skilled knowledge. They will conduct the training under the guidance of Emmanuel Dasari, who has 18 years of experience. We Excel Gyan team successfully trained more than 10,000 professionals and conducted corporate trainings and accomplished projects for more than 50 corporates and colleges, such as Capgemini, Tata Power, NACL, Arabindu Pharma, Naipur Institute, St. Joseph College, and more. For more details, call us or WhatsApp us on 9885 901144 or visit us at Excel Gyan BI Solutions above Kritinga Restaurant beside Indian Oil Petrol Bunk, Metro Pillar number C1731 near Durgam Cheru Metro Station, Madhapur, Hyderabad. Thank you.